Welcome back to my channel. To the verb be, to be. The to be verb is the most important and most frequently used verb in the English language. Unlike regular verbs that describe an action, like run, eat, write, the to be verb describes a state of being, existence, identity, or condition. Because English is not a pro-drop language, meaning subjects usually cannot be omitted, the to be verb is required in almost every sentence that doesn't use an action verb. 1. Forms of the to be verb. Before looking at its uses, it helps to review how the verb changes depending on the tense and the subject. Tense. Subject pronouns. Form of to be. Example sentence. Present. I am. I am happy. He, she, it, singular nouns. Is. She is a doctor. We, you, they, plural nouns. Are. They are ready. Past. I, he, she, it, singular nouns. Was. I was tired yesterday. We, you, they, plural nouns. Were. You were late. Future. All subjects. Will be. We will be there soon. Two main uses of the to be verb. The to be verb serves several distinct grammatical functions. Here are its primary uses with examples. A linking subjects to descriptions, state or condition. It connects the subject of a sentence to an adjective or noun phrase that describes its state, mood, or condition. Examples. The coffee is hot. Describes the coffee. We were very excited about the trip. Describes our feeling. My new car is extremely fast. Describes the car. Be identifying or naming people and things, identity. It establishes who or what the subject is. Examples. Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States. Identity. This is my favorite book. Identification. They are professional musicians. Profession/identity. See stating age, time, weather, and distance. In English, we use the to be verb for impersonal statements involving facts about the environment, time, or measurements. Examples. Age, I am 25 years old. Time, it is 4:30 p.m. right now. Weather, it is raining/it is very cold outside. Distance, it is 10 miles to the nearest town. Deforming continuous, progressive, tenses. The to be verb acts as an auxiliary, helping, verb combined with a main verb ending in ing to show ongoing actions in the past, present, or future. Examples. Present continuous, she is reading a novel. Past continuous, they were playing soccer when it started to rain. Future continuous, this time tomorrow, we will be flying to Paris. Deforming the passive voice. When the focus shifts from who does the action to what receives the action, the to be verb is used with a past participle, cap v sub 3. Examples. The window was broken by the wind. English is spoken all over the world. The project will be completed by Friday. F expressing obligation or intention, B plus infinitive. To be followed by to plus verb is used to express formal plans, rules, or obligations. Examples. You are to submit your assignment by midnight. Obligation/rule. The Prime Minister is to visit the hospital tomorrow. Scheduled plan. 3 summary cheat sheet. Function. Formula. Example. Description. Subject plus be plus adjective. The sky is blue. Identity. Subject plus be plus noun. He is a teacher. Location. Subject plus be plus prepositional phrase. The keys are on the table. Continuous tense. Subject plus be plus verb, ing. I am learning English. Passive voice. Subject plus be plus past participle. The cake was baked yesterday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment.